Hi everyone and welcome back. I'm really excited for today's recipe video. This one is where a banana bread meets a flan and it's so delicious, and this was gone within seconds. It's that good, I promise you. So sit back, let me show you how easy this one is to put together, and best of all, it's semi-homemade. So I'm going to start by creating my flan mixture. So I'm adding eggs, pumpkin puree. The pumpkin puree is totally optional. Salt, cake spice, ground ginger or fresh ginger. In goes nutmeg. I also went in with some cardamom and some allspice. In goes essence, vanilla, and I'm going to give this a mix. Now you'll find a complete list of ingredients down below in the description box. In goes a half of a cup of powdered milk, and I'm just going to mix that in so we have no lumps. This adds some body to this, so you get more of a richer flan. In goes heavy cream, evaporated milk, and also sweetened condensed milk. And we'll give this a mix. Here's the sweetened condensed milk going in. You want to mix really well so that it's well distributed. And next we're going to add the star of the show, some chopped banana nut bread. And here is where it comes in as semi-homemade. You can buy the banana nut bread and just make the flan at home. You give this a good mix, and then once it starts to absorb that liquid, we'll pour it out into our dish. For the dish, you are going to want to use about 1/4 cup of unsalted butter that's nice and soft, and slather it all over that baking dish. So you see how much butter is in there? That's how you want to do it. Now, if you didn't want to use this amount of butter, of course, lightly butter your dish. It's not a problem. And then pour in that mixture that we made. And I can see how the bread has soaked up that flan base. Now you just want to take your spoon and press down to make sure that it's submerged as much as possible. And this goes into your oven to bake at 350 for about 40-45 minutes until it's set. You want it to cool down completely, and you can even chill this overnight before you serve it the next day. And once you take it out, you'll see how perfect it is. You see the flan at the bottom, the banana bread at the top, and it still maintains that nice soft texture. A really amazing, unusual, different bread pudding for you all to try this Christmas. Give this recipe a try. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Thank you all so much for joining me for this episode, and I'll see you in my next video. Remember, you can always reach me via email anytime you have any issues. Thank you, and I'll see you. Happy holidays, everyone.